Good early morning. We're so glad you're here. The daily vlogs. If you enjoy this video, make sure you come back every day. I got more sleep last night. I got like 2.5 hours, but it's probably the compounding sleep plus like just being like 2-on-1 with the kids yesterday that I feel more tired, I think. But I've got safe and sound relatively the same time as yesterday. The security has not opened up yet. So I'm gonna get in, get a cup of coffee, see if I can find any friends. Sarah had a great time at the concert, and she is just going to bed right now. If you want some melody, just let me know. And you know, Spaceship Earth we see a lot at night. But it hits differently when it's the nighttime in the morning on a Run Disney day. Alright, so today is the Monsters 10K. Wally is out again, which is awesome. Jesse's out rather than Bo Peep. Mater's still out doing his Mater thing. And then we've got a double spot, Mike and Sully. Really cool opportunity. I'm gonna go up and after I'm gonna eat this muffin I got. I'll show you guys. I'm not gonna wait in line because it's already a pretty steep line for Mike and Sully. I feel like I've already met Mike and Sully together before. And I love that they're playing music from Monsters University. But I'll show you guys that in a minute.
That would translate as well. We can try. Good morning, monsters. Can I get a laugh? 3, 2, 1, go!
Let's go. I'm not usually one to stop for the first character, but it's Merida.
You talk me into it.
So we're gonna meet Merida. All right, we're meeting Merida. She's the best. Look at her go. All right, here we go. Mickey Mouse himself. In a very Dapper Dan outfit. I love it, but I'm skipping this line. They're getting steep. Also, this is not the fun part. This first 2 miles of today is an out and back. Then you get fun getting into the park. There we got Mr. Fredrickson. Seeing if he'll sell me his house in this housing market. See if he'll get me a good deal. I was a little worried at the first couple of character spots. The lines were looking rough, but now they're looking a little shorter.
Way better.
The humidity is real though. Doing a 1-2 punch here. Look at that, nice. I love it. I love it. In the World Showcase. Woo! The beauty. Who's here? Frozone? Nice. I'm skipping it because I got to keep up with my boy Patrick. He's a speed demon. Come on. This is home. Especially when the sun's not out and you hear the pitter patter of shoes on the boardwalk. We got Minnie Mouse and ACS over there. I gotta catch up. Patrick, he zoomed. He's up there somewhere. I'm just finding a reason to stop right now. Gazebo, Crescent Lake. Sarah and I have our 10-year wedding anniversary in a year and a half. Should we? Not saying we're gonna, but should we do a vow renewal at Crescent Lake? I think 10 years is like, it might be early. I know her parents did it at 25 or 20. But you know what, life's not a promise, so maybe we'll do it at 10. Maybe. What do you think, for my birthday? All right, I gotta run up a hill and get back into my other favorite place, World Showcase. All right, here we go. Chip and Dale action coming into World Showcase. That's what I'm talking about. And then this, just the lanterns lit. How beautiful. Strange the barges are not on because they're tearing those puppies out, but still gorgeous. All right, mile 5. A little over 1 left. And all the fun of Epcot. Wait, are you kidding me? Pinocchio, I have to stop. Mile 6 marker, just a little change left to the finish line. Gotta look forward to run forward, right? Time to close it. Oh yeah, some choir action. Woo! Woo!
Let's get it up for Michael, Carino, Karen Rowe, Jonathan Pepperidge, Patty Sinoski.
Yeah, Daisy! Woo!
Eichelberger, Damon Zaleski.
I pulled a classic Andy from The Office today, and I didn't even mean it. I didn't even think so. I didn't realize it was this humid today. I should have, considering how humid it was yesterday. But here's a medal. Really cool. I don't know. I did lose Patrick, but I'm happy. Oh, I see him right here. We got to go back online. I need one of those. Oh yeah? I need one of those. Hey, did you watch The Office?
No.
No. So there's this guy Andy, and they do like a 5K lit.
Okay.
And he is complaining the whole time about some shellfish.
Oh no.
I forgot to wear my KT tape today.
Oh my god.
I always like when I'm here and the sun's coming up. I hung out for a little bit, saw Allison finish, and then was cheering on some other ACS runners with some of our ACS friends. But now it's time to go home because we actually have our ACS event today. So if you run with ACS at Run Disney, for a few years now, it's been really cool since our friend Jenna started this. I'm definitely giving her props because she was the one who got it going. Is that every race weekend there's like a brunch or a dinner, like a pasta dinner or a brunch, a day or two before the lead event. So today's event's going to be at St. James Hall, which we've never been to, at the boardwalk. It's like the conference space, and so I have to go. Everyone else is kind of hanging out because a lot of them are staying on property, and they're gonna go straight there to start setting up and everything. But I have to go get Sarah and the kids and help get them ready and everything. So I'm gonna leave now. It's like 7 o'clock. Go back home, shower, get ready, grab them, and get ourselves ready to go to this brunch where there'll be like a little event where like there'll be speakers, people telling stories, talking about ACS's mission and everything, and Mickey waffles. So wins all around. And we're back. We're in the minivan. We got Sarah and the kids, Teddy snoozing. We're off to Boardwalk to go commiserate with ACS folk.
Hooray, we're together in the vlog again.
Yes, welcome back to the vlog,
Now
Sarah.
Yeah,
So can you tell guys on the camera?
we're tired.
Sarah's got hanger.
I am hangry. We basically woke up and got ready and left, and focusing on the kids eating their breakfast, forgot to eat my own. So
We're gonna get a snack before
we're gonna get a
lunch,
snack before our ACS brunch.
because we can't make another hour till lunch.
Alright, I got this little crumb cake. Don't usually get these, but it was just calling my name. Wow, have we ever been in here before?
This is a new invention.
Oh my goodness.
Look at that. We
We're-
gotta look at St. James Place.
Cool, we're our friends.
I don't know, but I hear voice over there. I think they were parking still.
Oh my goodness, is this St. James? Wait, let's see, it actually says. It's Doc Carver, an early Atlantic City showman. And this is the first Miss America who is crowned at the boardwalk. Margaret Gorman. Per usual, if there's markers and paper, Jamesy's gonna color. I'm gonna make sure it stays on the paper. Ooh, nice.
The boys just started dancing when the music came a bumping.
I mean, how can you not?
Is this a new sign? From today? How lovely. This is like a very more formal situation today here at the boardwalk. Loving it. And there's coffee that I need to go get some. Whoa.
He was singing Let It Go.
He started singing recently, or at least like making the noises.
Mimicking the sounds of...
And Teddy apparently just likes to handle bacon and eat it like a big kid.
During all 4 Run Disney events, Wine and Dine, Marathon Weekend, Princess Weekend, and this weekend, together we have raised over $540,000. So congratulations to everybody. We're so proud of you, and you should be proud of yourself. And we hope to see you again at another Team Determination event.
So out of all of our years parking here at the boardwalk, I never realized there's like basically a private patio off of this conference room by the buses. Never knew. Until today.
So if you are new to our channel or you don't happen to know what we're doing at this event, we are part of Team Determination and we fundraise all the time with the American Cancer Society. We started with Run Disney. We also do the Chicago Marathon. And they've just become a part of our family. During Run Disney weekends, there's always a team brunch or lunch or dinner, whatever it ends up being, where we can all meet each other and, you know, talk about our accomplishments and hear people's stories. So that's what today is, and it's always just a really special time together. Daddy. We are happy to take waffles to go.
We also have a giant cup of fruit to go and 9 other waffles. Jamesy and I are gonna go on Figment. Mom and Teddy are gonna go to baby care to get a cool shaded area and get Teddy to nap. There's a monorail. And I think we're leaving after that. So we were debating on like just leaving from the boardwalk to go home. Sarah's gotta edit. The kids needs baths tonight. We all need to go to sleep early because the whole family's coming tomorrow morning. But we felt like, okay, go to Epcot for a little bit because it's so hot and sunny and it's beautiful, flower garden, but it would also like kind of really empty the tanks for the kids and make it a full day so that like by the time we get home, baths and such, they will be truly ready for maybe an early bedtime. So it is steamy though. So I really think we're gonna go do Figment. Sarah's gonna put Teddy down and we're just gonna head back to Boardwalk and leave after this. Figment. Figment, let's go on the ride now. He's been all about Winnie the Pooh lately. James, come on, quick.
Well, yeah, but your shirt is red like Pooh's.
Hi, Winnie. Yeah, he's got a bug net. Yeah, he's gonna catch a butterfly. It is no lie that James loves Figment. He's currently scooting across because he keeps seeing Figment pop up on these screens.
With F-I-G-M-E-N-T, you can see things differently. Sure, you can see with your eyes, but imagine what you could see if you used your imagination.
You're turning this entire open house upside down.
Upside down? Now you're talking.
And so, as you can plainly see, imagination works the best when it's set free.
You said it, Doc.
Of inspiration is at the heart of all creation.
we're gonna do a loop around World Showcase and head on home. Someone's been awake since 2 a.m.
And I'm
Someone
rocking
got
a
very little sleep.
Yeah.
But this will fill up our cup and we'll
The
head
best
on back.
reasons to be awake a long hours, right?
Yeah.
High five.
Hey, trolley. Ooh, is he a nice friend? Is that your secret handshake? So we have got to get the Garden Rocks schedule fresh in our minds so we don't miss out on anybody. Switchfoot is tomorrow and the next day, which we like. Blue October is tonight, which I know. So yeah, I forgot that there are some really great shows this spring. And so we will be back for Garden Rocks. Last stop of the day. Grabbed a little boardwalk deli before we head home. I got a roasted chicken sandwich, which was like kind of a panic order, but I really ordered it for the bread. And tomato soup. And Peter got the plant-based muffaletta with chips. Yeah, it's like a veggie crunch muffaletta, and it has.
Oh, it's like a root plant?
Yeah, that looks like
I'm exhausted.
meat. I'm sure. By the way, the boys switched. James is now asleep. Teddy is not.
I want to go to sleep.
Soon.
With this creature?
Say go, go, go.
What?
Go, go, go.
Go, go, go. Say supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
We know what our goals are. We know what we hope to accomplish. And believe me, it's the most exciting and challenging assignment we've ever tackled at Walt Disney Productions.